guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing another what I eat in a day. You guys really liked my last what I eat in a day, so I am making another one. So before we jump into the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys like these what I eat in a days. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So with all of that being said, I just want to do like a little disclaimer before we jump into the video. I am not on the keto diet anymore. I'm not going to really go into a lot of details about it. If you guys want to know, just let me know and I'll make a video talking about it. But pretty much it just wasn't realistic for my lifestyle, so I am just going to do eat more of what is realistic for my lifestyle, and that is a calorie deficient diet. I feel like I've been on this diet lifestyle whatever for the past 2 weeks, and I've already lost 6 pounds just from counting my calories. And I started eating carbs and stuff like that, and I didn't really, I just started feeling a little bit better than I felt on the keto diet. So, but I will say that I did keep a lot of things that I've learned on the keto diet, like the low carb tortillas. I still have that Keto Lady cookbook, so I still do meals out of that. I still drink the Zevias. I'm still on the water kit, just a lot of things that I started on the keto diet I still keep doing. I just didn't cut out carbs completely, if that makes sense, and you guys will see that today. Now I am on a calorie deficient, like I mentioned earlier, and my calories that I take in normally is 1333 based off of my height and my weight, because I'm only 4'11" and I weigh 165 pounds. So because I do move around a lot, I have increased it to 1433. So I would say I would take in 1433 on a normal day, but if it's a day like that I'm just sitting around not doing anything, I'll do 1333. Now if it's a day that I've worked out, and depending on the workout that I do, which is majority of the time if I work out, I'm going to increase that to 1533, because I'm going to need that extra calories, because if not, your girl would not be feeling well. And I still intermittent fast, and so meaning that I fast until 12 o'clock, and then I stop eating at 8 o'clock. So I still do that. It's 12:25, so almost 12:30. So I am going to go make a smoothie bowl. So yeah, I've been obsessed with smoothie bowls. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that. I did also want to mention that I still do my water intake. I think in my last keto haul, I said that I did 1 liter a day. I try to do 2 to 3 liters. Yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So I've been drinking on this, and that's pretty much all I had this morning. So I am going to go make my smoothie bowl. So let's go ahead and get into how we make our Alright, so to start with the smoothie, we're going to need a banana. I use this whole banana here. I put about 3/4 in the smoothie, and then I use the other 4th for the topping of it, but you can put the whole banana in it. And then you're also going to need some blueberries. I really like to add blueberries into my smoothies. And then I'm going to add some almonds for the topping. You're going to need some unsweetened coconut flakes, because I like the unsweetened ones. Unsweetened almond milk, of course, and then cauliflower. Now, depending on the type of smoothie that I go for, is the type of vegetable that I use. I'm using cauliflower today. You can't taste the cauliflower at all in it, but you're still getting the fiber and the nutrients that you need from the whole vegetable part. So that is why I'm using the cauliflower in it today. And of course, I am going to be weighing everything out on my scale. I just got this scale from Walmart, and it is super dirty, so excuse that. Alright, so I'm just going to set my blending cup on here, and I have it all tiered out. I'm going to go ahead and put the ingredients in it that I don't need to weigh out. I just put in 2 pieces of cauliflower. So I'm adding in the banana now, and like I said earlier, I'm going to do 3/4 of the banana in the smoothie, and the other 1/4 as a topping. and I'm just breaking it up and putting it in here. And then for the blueberries, I decided to weigh in the blueberries, so I did 50 grams instead of the 100 that the packaging really calls for. So I just weighed out 50 grams. Of course, I did wash them off as I was putting them in here, but I just weighed out 40 into the extra smoothie, and then I'm gonna do 10 as a topping. As you guys can see, I'm just kind of putting them in and just taking them out to get exactly to 40. And then I do have almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, and I'm changing the metrics, like the unit measures, to fluid ounces, and I'm just gonna do 1 fluid ounce. I did go over, so it's like 1.1 or something like that. The thicker you want your smoothie, the less almond milk you would use. Just a little tip there. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the top on it and then go ahead and blend it up. And once I have it blended, I just pour it into this bowl. Now I do like it a little bit thicker, but it came out a little runny today because, like I said, I put in too much of my almond milk, but that is fine. And now it's time to add the toppings. So like I told you guys earlier, I'm going to add in 10 grams of the blueberries as a topping. And like I told you guys, the more almond milk you put in here, the watery it's going to be. So that's why they're kind of like sinking. I'm going to add in the rest of the banana as a topping. And you guys can see I measured the blueberries, but it's still measuring. I don't really count this. I just put the whole banana in the app, MyFitnessPal, to measure it. And then I'm just going to tear it out, and now I'm weighing the almonds. Okay, so the almonds are about 170 calories for 28 grams. I did not do 28 grams. I only did 7. So for 7 grams of the almonds, it is about 1/4 of the calorie intake. So that's about what, 42? Yeah, about 42 of the calories for the almonds. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the coconut flakes. Now it says about 2 tablespoons, about 15 grams is a serving size, and it's 110 calories. But the amount of coconut flakes that I put in here wasn't even a gram. I don't even think it was a tablespoon, to be honest with you guys. And that's it. This is my smoothie bowl here. It was so delicious. It normally looks better than this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that, but I don't know why I came out this color today. It's normally more purple, but it is so good. And this entire bowl was 336 calories. I am feeling a little snackish. So with that being said, I am just gonna finish off these roasted seaweed, sea salt, seaweed. I really like these. I picked up some yesterday from the Dollar Tree. They come in like 3 in a pack, and it has like 12 of them in each pack. For 6 of these, they are only 20 calories, and they have less than a carb, less than 1 dietary fiber, less than 1 carb. So it's pretty good. It looks like a pretty good snack. You can eat them as chips, or you can put them in toppings and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off these. No one in my family likes these. I let everybody try them yesterday, but they're really good, and I think I want to go get another bag, like another 3-pack of them for $1 at the Dollar Tree, because they're really good. They're a good like snack to eat. If you guys like fishy type stuff, then you would like these, but if you don't like fish, you wouldn't like these. But I really like them. They have like just the right amount of salt, and it tastes like fish. Like, it is so weird because it tastes like meat skins. Like, I know it sounds so weird to say that, but it's like the texture of meat skin, but it has like that fishy taste. So I really like them. This pack isn't open, so I know it's crunchy, but I really like them. They're very good. So I'm just gonna finish up these, and anyway, for lunch, I am doing the Beyond Meat Beyond Burger. It's a plant-based burger, and I've actually never tried it. So, I don't know. I hope it's good. It has no soy, no gluten, and like I said, it's plant-based, so it's not meat, but they say it tastes like meat. I've heard really, really good things about this burger, and a lot of people have said that even if you're not vegan, which I am not vegan, I'm gonna try this out. And the reason why I'm doing this, because I really didn't want like a burger, and I didn't want anything that was like super filling, so I'm just gonna eat one. It comes with 2 in here, And I'm probably going to do a lettuce wrap. Alright, so the mayonnaise that I'm using is about 90 calories and the ketchup is about 5 calories. The ketchup calls for 2 tablespoons. I only put 1, so that really gives me probably about 2 or 3 calories there. And then I did half of a tablespoon for the mayonnaise, so that gave me half of the amount of calories there. I don't really like a lot of condiments on my burger because I feel like it can kind of overpower it sometimes. So yeah, and then I added a pickle, which is only 5 calories, and I put half of it there and the other half on the side. Yeah, this legit tastes like a burger. Like, legit tastes like a burger. It's so good. Like really good. Alright, so now it is time for dinner, and we decided to go to Olive Garden tonight. We got it to go, so I got the chicken noche soup, and then I got the shrimp scampi. Neither one of these are really high in calories. I think the shrimp scampi was like 500 and something calories, and it was so good, but I ended up only eating half of it this night, and then I ate the other half the next day, and like I said, it ended up just being really, really good. And then as far as my drink, I went with the Zevia, and I decided to do Dr. Zevia this day. Now it is a 0 calorie drink, 0 sugar. Like, it's a really good drink. It's made with like I think it's made with erythritol or stevia, one of those two. And it's really, really good and really tasty. To me, these drinks taste just like the real thing. I am one of those people where I have to have something sweet after I eat. I do have Mentos, the like flavorful ones, and this is a strawberry one. These are only 10 calories per candy, and they're only 2 grams of sugar. So if you're like craving something, you can even eat these on keto because, like I said, they only have 2 grams of sugar and they don't have any carbs. They are only 10 calories. Like, they're like a good little sweet piece of something to eat if you're craving something sweet. So yeah, so that is pretty much it. That is what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more what I eat in a day videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.